Yeah, honey. Let's see. Hold it up. Ooh, boy.
Holy crap, man.
On September 3rd, 2025, central Kansas was hammered by a fierce hailstorm that left communities reeling. Some areas recorded hail as large as tennis balls, the largest of the storm, while other parts of Wichita and surrounding counties were pelted by golf ball-sized hail. The relentless stones battered homes and vehicles, shattering windshields and leaving countless cars dented. Powerful winds swept across the region, toppling trees, damaging structures, and ravaging crops while thousands of residents lost power. The very next day, September 4th, East Tennessee, including Knoxville, faced its own severe thunderstorms.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Wow. Hell no. What?
With 1-inch hail and strong wind gusts causing property damage down trees and disruptions to daily life. These back-to-back storms serve as a stark reminder of the force of nature and the resilience required by communities in the face of severe weather. Kansas bore the brunt of the first storm, with central areas experiencing the most severe conditions. Some of the largest hailstones fell in Marion County, measuring up to 3 inches in diameter, while McPherson and Sedgwick counties recorded hail ranging from 2 to nearly 3 inches. Other areas, including Harvey County and towns like Newton and Salina, experienced hail up to 2.75 inches, with golf ball-sized hail widespread across smaller communities. Wichita faced a combination of large hail and straight-line winds, with gusts reaching 75 miles per hour, which caused significant structural damage, including damaged roofs, siding, and uprooted trees. Flooding from heavy rainfall compounded the impact, blocking streets and affecting local infrastructure. The hail and winds battered vehicles, shattering windshields and denting countless cars. While crops were ravaged in McPherson and Harvey counties, leaving corn and soybean fields shredded and some livestock operations reporting injuries, approximately 5,000 residents lost power at the storm's peak, primarily in Sedgwick County.
Holy shit!
In McPherson County, school roofs were damaged, including the gym at Elyria Christian School and several schools in affected areas. Closed the following day to assess and repair damage. Emergency services worked throughout the region to clear debris, assist residents, and ensure safety. Damaging winds, localized flooding, and agricultural losses created a scenario in which both physical destruction and disruption to daily life were substantial. Experts attribute the severity of the Kansas storm to the presence of discrete supercell thunderstorms forming in an environment conducive to very large hail. Supercells maintain persistent rotating updrafts that allow hailstones to remain aloft and grow before falling to the ground, explaining the unusually large hail observed across multiple counties. Meteorologists noted that the combination of atmospheric instability, moisture, and wind shear on September 3rd provided the perfect conditions for these supercells to develop, resulting in widespread hail and strong winds.
Some big hail in there, all right.
Ooh-wee, y'all. Hope y'all ain't out in this. There's gonna be some hail damaged cars tonight.
We hope y'all ain't out in this. Gonna be some hell-damaged cars tonight. By the afternoon of September 4th, 2025, attention shifted to East Tennessee, where severe thunderstorms impacted Knoxville and surrounding counties. The National Weather Service issued multiple severe thunderstorm warnings for Knox-Anderson, Roane, and Morgan counties, alerting residents to the risk of damaging winds and hail in Rogate and Seville. Hailstones up to 1.5 inches were reported with radar-indicated wind gusts reaching 60 miles per hour. These conditions caused tree limbs to fall, leading to localized power outages and debris on roadways. The storms also produced heavy rainfall, which contributed to localized flooding in low-lying areas. Tennessee storms were more localized than the Kansas event. They still had a tangible impact on residents, including property damage, downed trees, and disrupted traffic. The combination of hail, strong winds, and heavy rain underscored the need for preparedness and awareness in the face of severe weather. The cause of the Tennessee hailstorm was consistent with conditions conducive to organized severe thunderstorms, including localized atmospheric instability and sufficient moisture in the lower atmosphere. While a detailed post-event analysis has not yet been published by the Morristown Weather Service office, the storm warnings verified hail and wind reports align with expert understanding that these conditions can produce isolated hail up to 1 inch in diameter and damaging winds in the range observed on that day. For the communities affected, the path forward involves immediate response and long-term recovery. In Kansas, residents are advised to document property damage with photographs and contact their insurance providers promptly as contractor. Demand will be high following an event with such widespread hail and wind damage. Roof inspections, replacement of damaged windows, and vehicle repairs will be priorities, along with addressing any water intrusion from storm-related leaks. Utility restoration and debris clearance continue in impacted areas, and local officials encourage residents to take precautions against potential secondary damage. Community members are advised to monitor local emergency notifications and follow guidance from municipal authorities to ensure safety and facilitate efficient recovery. The National Weather Service's real-time logs and public submissions from residents provide critical information for understanding storm impacts and guiding future preparedness measures. Both regions highlight the importance of preparedness in the face of severe weather. Early warnings, public awareness, and proactive safety measures can mitigate harm and support rapid recovery. Residents are encouraged to maintain access to storm alerts, protect vehicles and property when severe weather is forecasted, and follow official guidance from local authorities. This is for today's report. If you found it informative and helpful, then please consider liking and sharing it to others. Share your thoughts and similar experiences in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Stay safe and stay aware.